Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, this story I found on Punch newspaper, so I am bringing it to you off the strength of that. Now in Yoruba language we have a saying, Gambari pa Fulani kò lẹ́jọ́ nú, Gambari pa Fulani kò lẹ́jọ́ nú. And what does that mean? That means if a Fulani man has yawa with a Hausa man, it is not a concern for a Yoruba man. So that's our own idiom within our own region. So with that, I bring you this. El-Zakzarky allegedly discharges himself, returns to Nigeria. So that's the headline. El-Zakzarky allegedly discharges himself, returns to Nigeria. So that's the headline now to the body of it. Barely 96 hours after landing in New Delhi for medical treatment, leader of the Islamic movement in Nigeria, Sheikh Ibrahim El-Zakzarky, has reportedly discharged himself from the Medenta hospital and is now on his way back to Nigeria. The president, media forum of IMN, Ibrahim Musa, said that El-Zakzarky and his wife Zinat, who were airborne as of the time of speaking to the correspondent on Thursday evening, left New Delhi around 5 p.m. Nigerian time, heading back to the country. Musa, in a statement, blamed the federal government for scuttling the IMN leader's planned treatment. Musa said, following a lack of a breakthrough in the impasse that ensued in the treatment in New Delhi of Sheikh Ibrahim El-Zakzarky, it is now confirmed that the Sheikh is on his way back to Abuja. In a video message sent through his office, the Sheikh said it was decided that they will be taken to the airport to be flown back to Nigeria. He has left Delhi by 1700 Nigerian time. He prayed that may that be the best option in the circumstances. The group added, the Nigerian government's interference and scuttling of the whole process, rather than supervision as ordered by the court, is the direct cause of the impasse. The government never wanted the medical leave in the first place and did whatever to stop it by all means possible, Musa alleged. The federal government had earlier refuted El-Zakzarky's allegation, stating that he attempted to violate the conditions of his treatment by making unreasonable demands, including insisting on lodging in a 5-star hotel in New Delhi with free access to all manners of visitors. So now this is now the breaking news, according, I repeat, to the Punch newspaper of Nigeria, which is a well-established newspaper, by the way, and they are attributing this to the spokesperson, the media arm of this Islamic movement of Nigeria. They are attributing it to Ibrahim Musa, who is the head of that department. So apparently, allegedly, and according to Ibrahim Musa and Punch newspaper, and obviously this story will evolve as time carries on, this guy is now on his way back to Nigeria. So now you can then imagine what he then went through in India in the 3 days or so that he was there, that's necessitated him saying that the suffering that is suffering in Nigeria is actually better than what he's having to endure in India. So now this is now the state of play now. Apparently, allegedly, this is what we're going with, because we are just getting this from one source, even though it's a prominent source and an established source and a respected source as well. So Punch newspaper, all Nigerians know what Punch newspaper is and who they are. So this is now the conversation that they have now ignited within that particular space of the Nigerian space. So conversations is now what I am inviting as well off the back of this. Come, let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section. But before you come share those thoughts with me in the comment section, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. Bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then come tell me what you are making of this in the comment section. So I'll leave you here, carry on with you there, but here I say peace.